William Chan is a prominent Hong Kong singer, dancer, actor and television host known for his versatile career spanning Cantopop music, mainstream films and high-profile Chinese dramas. Rising to fame through singing competitions and boy band performances, he has evolved into a leading figure in the entertainment industry with notable achievements in both Hong Kong and mainland China. In 2025, Chan stars as the cult CEO in the hit drama Love's Ambition, which has broken 31,000 on Tencent's hit index and reignited his spotlight. Upcoming projects include the short drama See Her Again and the treasured Beijing book as Zhang Qishan. He recently expressed outrage over actors' inappropriate behavior toward actresses, earning praise for advocating respect for women. In recent years, Chan has expanded into variety shows and fashion. He mentored on the 2020 comedian talent show Gagman and starred in 4-3 Season 2. In 2021, he launched his fashion brand Cannot Wait, partnering with Maserati for a limited edition sedan. He joined the outdoor camping variety campaign Live in 2022 and its second season in 2023, plus Run for Time Season 3 and Fairy Tale Welcome to Star Village. His breakthrough arrived with the 2014 fantasy action series Swords of Legends, which dominated viewership and online metrics, earning him Most Popular All-Around Artist and Media's Most Anticipated Actor at the 6th China TV Drama Awards. In 2015, he led Legend of Fragrance and took his first small screen lead in Legend of Zhu Mountain. The 2016 tomb riding drama The Mystic Nine, where he played Fo Ye, shattered records with over 10 billion online views and topped ratings, naming him Person of the Year at the Ikea All-Star Carnival. That year also saw him in the romantic comedy I Love That Crazy Little Thing and the animated film Lord Legend of Ravaging Dynasties. He reprised his role in Lord Legend of Ravaging Dynasties 2 and played the antagonist, the Yin Yang Master, alongside leads in The Dance of the Storm and Noveland Pearl Eclipse. 2023 brought Faces in the Crowd, A Date with the Future and Bursting Point. Other honors include Best Young Actor at the 2014 China Image Film Festival for Golden Brother.